Leaves are lovely to paint. They can be really therapeutic, just keeping them simple, especially with watercolor. I'm going to add a bit of dark to some places here, get some flow. I'm being a little bit conscious of not painting over the cracks if I can help it. It just makes for less Photoshop work at the end, but that shouldn't be a compositional factor. That's not the most beautiful thing I've ever done, but that's okay. I'm just going to take this one out. And I'm going to put some leaves in here. Putting some little blossoms in to fill some of the gaps. And also where I've ended branches and things, sometimes it's useful to hide that with some flowers. Okay, now this is going to connect to this. Like that. And this connects to that. So I can check for gaps, and this here is waiting for something, and I want to introduce, I've got a lot of this angle going on with my branches, so I want to now start bringing some branches down